Ever pondered on the possibility that certain everyday foods might be the culprits behind inflammation in your body? Today, we're diving into a list of 13 such foods and their healthier alternatives that can aid you in battling inflammation and boosting your overall health. Starting with red meat. While a juicy steak can be hard to resist, it's a known contributor to inflammation. Instead, turn towards lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, or fish. Next, we have white bread. It's time to ditch those fluffy white loaves and opt for whole grain bread or products made with whole grain flour. Craving French fries? Consider switching them out for baked sweet potatoes or homemade oven-baked fries. Margarine, although a popular spread, can be replaced with natural oils like olive oil or avocado oil for a healthier choice. Soda drinks are a sugar bomb that can cause inflammation. Replace them with refreshing lemon water or unsweetened herbal teas. Refined sugar, while making everything taste better, can be swapped out for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Fast food, a convenient but unhealthy option, can be replaced with homemade meals prepared with fresh ingredients. Processed meats, loaded with preservatives, can be exchanged for natural meats or plant-based meat alternatives. Trans fats, often hidden in cakes and pastries, can be replaced with unsaturated fats found in nuts and seeds. Alcohol, when consumed excessively, can lead to inflammation. Opt for low-alcohol drinks or enjoy alcohol in moderation. For those who are intolerant, gluten can be swapped out for gluten-free products. Artificial additives can be replaced with natural spices and flavors for a healthier, tastier meal. Lastly, full-fat dairy can be replaced with plant-based milks like almond or oat milk. Incorporating these changes in your dietary habits can significantly impact your health. By opting for healthier alternatives, you can reduce inflammation in your body and enhance your overall wellness. If you found this information useful, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Also, feel free to share your favorite substitutes in the comments.